A streak of red and blue light flashed across the streets, shot through the desert, and then raced toward the ocean. No one could have imagined that this thrilling, high-speed race was actually hiding a terrifying conspiracy. Meanwhile, the criminal Mark was in disguise, posing as a member of a charity organization. He was the one who organized the race, but his real goal was to use electronic armbands to harvest the ion energy generated by the two racers' extreme speeds. That energy would be used to create a weather wand, a device capable of manipulating the world's climate at will. He tested it by unleashing a violent storm over the ocean, causing a cruise ship to run aground. By coincidence, Superman and the Flash were passing nearby. From a distance, they spotted the wrecked ship and immediately turned back to help. The Flash raced to rescue the crew members, while Superman dove beneath the waves, gently pulling the cracked hull back together and sealing it tight with his heat vision before righting the ship completely. Soon after, they learned the truth from the government. The storm wasn't natural. As they sped off to investigate, they suddenly ran into extreme cold. In moments, the ground before them froze into a glacial wasteland. They trudged forward, but were quickly encased in solid ice. Superman looked ahead, using his heat vision to melt a small opening, then tore through the fissure with sheer strength. Exhausted, he collapsed to the ground, only to look back and see that the Flash had already escaped easily, vibrating his molecules fast enough to phase straight through the ice. But when the Flash rushed in recklessly, he triggered an electrical trap that Mark had set in advance. Fortunately, Superman arrived just in time, pulling the Flash to safety. Then, Superman summoned a massive whirlwind, boring straight through the ground and breaking into Mark's hidden base. Inside, he confronted Mark, struggling to overpower the weather wand. At that moment, the Flash darted forward, striking the weapon from Mark's hand, but the damaged device went haywire. A surge of purple lightning erupted, shattering the giant globe in the roof. Winds tore through the house like a hurricane. Superman grabbed both Mark and the Flash, blasting through the roof and soaring skyward. A violent explosion followed. A blinding purple beam shot into the heavens, splitting the clouds apart and lighting up the sky.